Let us start CBSE class 10th mathematics chapter 6. You see the similar triangles. The triangles having the equal altitudes are in the ratio of their bases. I read again. Triangles having equal altitudes are in the ratio of their bases. You see, I have drawn a triangle ABC, and second triangle is ACD. These two triangles have got the same vertex, that is A, and the point BCD are the collinear point, means these points lie on a straight line. AM is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex A to BCD. So we have to prove that the area of this triangle and area of ABC and ACD will be in the ratio of their bases, means BC upon CD. You see, the area of the triangle ABC will be equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AM, and area of ACD is equal to 1 by 2 of CD into AM. You see, in both cases the altitudes are the same. So I have again substituted the triangle ABC upon triangle ACD is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AM and 1 by 2 CD into AM. So AM and AM will be cancelled, means the same altitude will be cancelled, and 1 by 2 will be also cancelled. Now we are left with BC upon CD, which is the base. BC is the base for the triangle ABC and CD is the base for triangle ACD. So you see, any triangle or any two triangles which are having the same vertex and their basis lies on the same collinear points or lying on the same straight lines, at that time the area will be in the ratio of their bases. Now proceed to the Thales theorem or the basic proportionality theorem. Here, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. I read it again. If a line is drawn parallel to the side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Here you see ABC is the triangle and DE is the line which is parallel to the BC, and DE intersect the line AB at D and AC at E, two distinct points, that is D and E. From D we have again drop a perpendicular, that is D M, and from E N. Now you see the ADE is the same triangle. One, you can find out the area AD into EN, and area of AD will be equal to the same AE into DN. In both the cases, the triangle ADE will be the same. So let us proceed further. The triangle BDE and triangle ADE are having the common vertex E. You see, BDE and ADE both have common vertex E. So from E we have dropped the perpendicular. So here the same situation is there. If you just compare the ADE and BDE, as we have already proved here, same situation is here. Now you see, here again I have area of triangle BDE upon area of triangle ADE is equal to BD upon AD. Means BD and AD are the base. Now similarly, area of CED and area of triangle AED has the common vertex D. In that case also the area of CED and area of AED is equal to EC upon AE. This will be our second equation. Now you see, the ADE and AED is the same triangle. Only the naming is somewhat different, but the triangle is the same. ADE and AED. Now come to the BDE. You see, BDE and CED. These two triangles are having the same base, that is DE. DE is the same base, and these two triangles are in between the same parallel line, that is BC and DE are parallel lines. You see here, ADE and AED are the same triangle, hence they are equal. Now the triangle BDE and triangle CED are having the same base, that is DE, and between the same parallel line, that is BC. BC is parallel to DE. Hence they are having the equal area. From 1 and 2 we had From 1 and 2 we have BD upon AD is equal to EC upon AE, or by invertendo, just by invert it, then you will get AD upon BD will be equal to AE upon CE. So just adding 1 to both the sides, that is known as componendo. While you are adding this 1 and 1 to both the sides, that is known as componendo. So AD plus BD upon BD will be equal to AE plus CE upon CE. That will be equal to AB upon BD and will be equal to AC upon CE. So any situation can arise at that time. Sometimes the total length will be given and one side will be given, that is one part will be given. At that time by subtracting you can get it.